and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 28-inch chocolate brown 13x6 Cheetah Beauty wig. So Cheetah Beauty actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and I know it's fall time. We need a nice fall color. I feel like she's absolutely giving, and she's so full. And look at that length. The length is all there, you guys. 10 out of 10. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into it. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Cheetah Beauty Hair. And let me tell you, Cheetah Beauty Hair always comes through, but let's go ahead and see what we're working with today. Let's get into it. It's been a minute, guys. It's been a minute since we just worked with any wig. My goodness. Where have I been? So it did come with these gifts. And what, a pair of lashes, you got a wig cap, a bonnet, an edge brush, and a headband, you guys. But let's actually see this wig. So what, it's fall time. Fall is my favorite time of the year. Fall is approaching, so guess what? A nice chocolate wig during the fall is absolutely going to eat. So this is their chocolate body wave wig. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what she looks like. Ooh, okay, this is a nice one. I feel like chocolate really matches with like brown and dark skinned girls' skin tone. Like this is gonna blend in with my skin just about. Like this is kind of iconic. It just might eat, but look at that. That color is really pretty. I feel like on camera it has like a reddish hue to it, but I mean, I see like, it looks good. I like the reddish that's coming off on camera, but this is actually really pretty, guys. I'm obsessed. So this is their 28-inch wig too, by the way, you guys. Here's how the lace front looks. Bam, bam, bam. You got a little baby hair on the front, if that's what you're into. Let's actually take off all of this so we can see what the lace looks like on the inside. Okay, that's one reason I like Cheetah Beauty, because they do have a full 13x6. So I am so done with that little U part everywhere, you guys. I want a full 13x6. I want all the parting space. I need all of it, you guys. But yes, you get the full 13x6, thank goodness. And I do feel like with like a chocolate brown wig and colored wigs, like you don't need to bleach the knots at all. Like I just don't find that necessary. A little makeup will hide a lot of knots. So we are going to go ahead and get into this wig install right now, you guys. Oh, okay guys, see, look at how that looks on my skin already. Like, yes ma'am, but we are going to do a nice quick install now. Like I just love a quick install. You will not catch me just using too much like real latex glue unless it's like a special event, vacation, something. But we're going to do a quick install. I'm going to start by cutting a slit on each side of the temples. Bam, bam. And then we're going to cut off all of that excess lace, all this extra stuff here. Yeah, this looks really cute on my skin. Like, yes, immediately yes. So we're going to be using 3 layers of lace spray. Let's get into it. I'm going to pull the wig back. I know my forehead is massive, guys. I'm sorry. But okay, yeah. Let's do 3 layers of lace spray. Blow drying between each layer. So we're going to spread this out where we want the wig to lay. Okay, now let's do layer number 2. I had to raise the camera because I don't know why, it just felt too low. But let's do layer number 2. And now for layer number 3. So we're gonna actually put the wig where we want it to be before we actually blow dry. So let's go ahead and put this spray down. And now let's put the wig where we want it to lie. Okay, I kind of like to make my forehead just a wee bit smaller. I'm sorry, you guys. Just a wee bit smaller. I'm sorry, I'm saying I'm sorry a lot. Oh no, my bad, guys. Okay, guys, yeah, that's very cutesy, very cutesy. And this hair is pretty thick. I do like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to the lace. Since we didn't actually add lace tint on this lace, we're gonna add just a little makeup. So bam, bam, bam. Just to make it closer to my skin tone. Yeah, it's definitely giving fall. It's giving fall, babe, for sure. Okay, and since this is a 13x6, let's do a nice long middle part immediately, yes. You can't do a nice deep middle part with every wig at all, so let's do that. Make sure the sides look good. Bam, bam, bam. And I feel like with hair this color, it's a lot easier to pluck opposed to like some other ones. I look like a lion. I like it. I look like a beautiful lion. Okay guys, so we need to go ahead and hot comb this hair. We added a little bit of lace balm so we could get it to lay the way we want it to lay. It's a little bit more poofy right now. So hold on, let's do that. Let's get this middle parting. Because this hair is so brown, we gotta add a little bit of makeup in the part to make the part really pop. So hold on, let's get this part a little wider. On wigs this color, I do like my parts just a little bit wider so you can know it's there and see it. So hold on, let's get this part parting the way we want it to part. I'm just adding a little bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer here. Hold on, bam, bam, bam. So now we're gonna make this hair really come to life and just pop a few curls in it. Really quickly, do something cutesy. Guys, I swear, one curls are like really the only type of curl I can do, but let's see how beautifully this hair actually curls. I feel like Cheetah always does a really nice job curling, so let's see. Gotta hold it. That's beautiful, look at that, bam. So bouncy, immediately, yes. Okay, let's do the whole head. Let's go ahead and keep doing the rest of the hair. I definitely been needing something different for fall. Like, I'm so tired. Even though I love a good jet black bust down, like I've had that all year round. Sometimes you gotta switch it up a little bit. And this brown, I feel like it's something like, it's not subtle at all, but it's not anything just insane. You know, it's not gonna be like, oh my goodness, I feel insecure, because it's just like so out there. Like, this is a nice medium color. And honestly, this color works well on a lot of people's skin tone. Some people, not everybody looks good with jet black hair. Jet black hair is not for every skin tone at all. So this color, this eats. I like it. Yeah, I am loving the way it curls. Let's comb the curls out a little bit and see what it's giving. I feel like she's kind of giving Vivica Fox a little bit. Like, am I, Vivica Fox, is that you? Vivica A. Fox, is that you? Immediately, yes, so cute. Let me curl this little piece here. Vivica A. Fox, oh my goodness, is that you? Like, it's looking really glamorous and big. Like, I do love that. And it is the full 28 inches. Like, the 28 inches is all there, you guys. Like, Cheetah Beauty, you absolutely ate that. I'm gonna make sure to tag this wig in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys!